Detangling tutorial. Here with this week's hair tutorial is your host, Kayla Turner.
Hi, I'm coming live to you with a hair detangling tutorial, and today I'm going to be telling you how to detangle kinky curly hair or just curly hair in general. These are the products that I use. I have 4C type hair. There's a scale that goes up to 4B, 4A, then it goes into 3C, 3B, and 3A, and so forth. This is my handy dandy hair tool holder. So what you'll need is some hair scrunchies, hair ties, however you want to call it, a wide toothbrush, a pink, well, of course, pink, I love pink, a wide tooth comb, a normal comb, and I guess I can just pull out some more hair ties just in case. Close that. With my type of hair, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And it's very big right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to part my hair in half. And I'll just take a hair tie. And you can just put it back like that. And my hair has bad shrinkage. So once moisture is applied, it does shrink. So I'll just pull it apart like that. And I'm going to just start at the top, since it's harder to see in the back. So I'll just pull it at the top. And I'll just tie this down. All right, I'm gonna start with my detangling leave-in conditioner. It's diluted with water as well, so that will have a little bit more moisture. So I'll just spray that section. And then I always comb from the end, because you don't want to break your hair off. So you always comb from the end, because it will hurt if you do not spray your hair before you comb through it. Spray some more. You have to fully moisturize it. Okay, you can just tie this down. And I'm going to take my Pudding Perfection from Cream in Nature. I love this product. It's the best. And just take a little bit on the palm of your hands and rub it together. And then you can take that out. And continue to apply the pudding to your hair or that section. Now my hair is so much easier to comb through. And then I'll take my coconut curling cream and apply that to that section as well. It gets messy. Depending on what your hair type is depending on what products you will use. My hair is fully moisturized at once in this section. And so either you can twist it for that section, and then you'll go ahead to the next section. So I'm going to take my detangling spray again and spray this section. Remember to always comb from the ends and then work your way up, because you don't want to break your hair. And once we come back, I'll get to the back of my hair in just a little bit. So I'm just going to comb through this, and I'll be right back with you.
Ugh, this history test is going to kill me. I'd much rather solve a math equation over this.
I know. I wish there was something that could help us understand this material better.
Have y'all tried brain chew? Chewing a piece of this really helps me focus.
Sure. Okay, so when was the Spanish-American War?
Wouldn't it be 1898?
Hey, I think that's right.
Brain chew. It's minty fresh.
And I'm still spraying the moisturizer on it before I can detangle it. Some more curly pudding. Rub it together. And the reasoning for this moisturizing, or the reason why I have to moisturize my type of hair so much, because of curly hair, it's harder for the oils to get to the end of your hair shaft. So you have to keep your hair moisturized. The more kinkier it is and the more curlier it is. I'm about done with that. Same amount. And your hair is going to shed regardless. So I'm not like, my hair is falling out. Okay. Now once that is done, I can comb through both sections with ease at this point. And I'll just pin this up into a bun, or a little bun, a little baby bun. The back is really poofy, so I'll just take this section. Instead of putting it in two different sections, I'll just go ahead and do this whole section as one. It may take a little bit more moisturizer. You see in the side. Okay. And I'll just apply the curling cream to this section, since it's the back. I don't know, you can see it. Fully moisturize the ends, all the sides, and the middle. The middle of my hair dries the most, so I have to get the middle definitely a little bit more of product. And you can do this process before you wash your hair, just because, I mean, depending on what shampoo and conditioner you use, it may strip your oils. And now I can fully comb through my hair with ease, without it hurting and me screaming. And I take a scrunchie. Either you can tie it in an actual bun like this, or ponytail, either or. And it's like a puff ball, or you just take this like this. And there you go. And once again, depending on your hair type, is depending on what products you will use for your hair. And since my hair is natural and not processed with chemicals, I have to use this process every time I have to wash my hair. Also, I have two different types of products. There's Cantu, which is my favorite. I love Cantu. And then there's Cream in Nature. Natural oils also is really good for moisturizer as well. And your hands can get very dirty, so make sure you wipe your hands off. Okay, and I'll just clean up my section really quick. But yeah, you can style as desired. I just made a little braid in the front, but other than that, it's messed up at this point, so it's fine. Thank you.